Hey, what's up, everybody? Got a 1998 Honda Accord V6, 3.0 liter, and it's springtime, so it's got a lot of fucking pollen on it. And this is what it looks like. All right, and basically, what we're gonna do today is this door handle. This is what it looks like right here. So, I'm just gonna replace that since it's broken off. And here's our new one right here. So we're going to do this as quick, make this quick and easy as possible. See if I get my camera mounted in here. Alright, first thing, I got a little pocket screwdriver. Just pry out this. Ooh, that came out. That just exploded, actually. I'm gonna break it loose. This is a Phillips head. Just break it loose so when I go in here with my power tool, I don't tear it up and strip it out. But you got one Phillips head right there. Alright, all I'm gonna do is pull this out. And on the back side, you've got, I'm going to show you what it looks like here. Pull you in here. I'll show you what we got. Okay, you got an electrical connector right here. It's got two Phillips screws. One here, one here. You need to disconnect those. Then you have your connection right here. Basically, you're just going to pop it out. I'll show you. Let's see if we can get this right here. Alright. Let me get a smaller screwdriver. Okay. Alright. Got a screwdriver right here. Just gonna loosen them up a little bit. I might go ahead and hit them with the power tool. That one. Alright. And that's for your power locks right there. Sure. I'm gonna just leave the screws in there. Just kind of set it to the side. Now, this right here, we just need to disconnect it here, which is on the new part, this right here. And what it is, it's actually facing that way. So the linkage goes in through here, goes down in that hole, which comes out through that side. So basically, you can just push this backwards like that. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna use this come a little bit closer. Just use this Phillips, this flathead screwdriver. Now if I break this grommet, that's fine. The new one comes with a new grommet. I'm just push that back if I can. Alright, so I got it pushed back, then I'm just going to pull it up like that. So there you go. And that's how it looks right there. Oops. It just comes out like that. Alright, boom. So that's the old one right there. And I'm going to put the new one back in. Real quick and easy. So I'm going here. Now what I like to do sometimes is squirt a little lithium grease down here, which I'm gonna go ahead and do right fast. So what I did is I just squirted a little white lithium grease down in there, the lubrication, put it in that hole, make it slide down in there real nice and easy, and bam, turn your little clip, you're in there. Put your switch back in, and God, that thing is really dirty. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. Alright. Yeah. Slide that down in there. I'm to start my screws. Run them down with the power tool. Tighten them up a little bit. Could be a little bit tighter. Alright, now see these little hooks right here, those go in these holes right here. So you want to push it in forward, then pull it back just a hair. Alright, all you got is one Phillips holding it in like so. So no need to worry that last one, bam, it's in there. No need to worry about our little cover that broke off last time, because they give us another one. But I think this little piece right here is preventing us from closing it all the way. Yeah. This right here actually needs to come off. Actually, I think I just took too much of it off. Oh well. A little cosmetic piece. Bam, got that in. Then you got this little piece. Let's turn it that way. And pop that in. There you go. You got your brand new door handle. Very easy, quick and simple. No need to remove the door panel. On some applications you may need to remove the door panel, but on this one, not really necessary. But anyways, appreciate you watching the video. Hope that was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and again, thanks for watching. Peace.